This is Alexei from PortaOne. Today with me, Dmitry Lavranyuk.
Welcome back, everybody.
And we'll speak about how to make your services more secure.
It's always a hot topic in the telco world.
Sensitive data like passwords is usually masked by dots or asterisks for a reason, so that credentials are not exposed to a bad actor. We had a case with one of our colleagues who was on a business trip. On return, somebody tried to access the systems with his username and password. Of course, the system didn't allow the access because we use single sign-on and OTP, but from the investigation it turned out that most likely the password was overlooked by a bad actor via a security camera. In such cases, strong passwords or password retention policies are not enough to prevent data breaches. In this video, we'll talk about how to improve the security of your systems.
Every service provider invests a fortune to help enterprises protect their data and prevent fraud. It is now common practice to set minimum requirements for web passwords in terms of length and complexity.
Password managers can help in this regard by providing users with a secure store of complex passwords that nobody can remember. However, it doesn't become a single point of failure for security in case such password is leaked.
Yes, absolutely. A strong password still can help to keep your accounts and data safe. But in the event of a data breach, you'll definitely want something more secure. For example, people often store credentials to web GUI in password managers. The best security practice, though, is to store the passwords encrypted. On the other hand, PortaSwitch IP-based restrictions for administrators, resellers and customers can come in handy.
If the web access to telco stuff can be easily restricted by a trusted IP address, for example, belonging to an office network, customers are more likely to use dynamic IP address or travel. How does PortaOne deal with this challenge?
Well, many organizations have started using two-factor authentication, 2FA, for access point management, as it essentially provides another piece of security that a hacker needs to overcome.
This sounds good. Can you tell us more about how it works?
Sure. With enabled two-factor authentication, cloud PBX administrators can log into the portal only after entering a valid one-time password, OTP, in addition to their login and regular password. The time-based OTP is generated by an application such as Google Authenticator installed on the user's smartphone. So even if an unauthorized person gains access to user credentials, they simply can't access the system without the OTP.
What are the steps that a service provider should take if they want to secure web services by two-factor authentication?
First off, two-factor authentication is supported by PortaSwitch starting from maintenance release 103. So it's a good idea to schedule the next update if you haven't yet done so. With the newest releases, it's possible to enable two-factor authentication for users, portal billing administrators, and resellers or customers on the customer class level. This option can be overridden for individual resellers or customers though. Here are the requirements. First, user needs to install a two-factor authentication application on their smartphone or personal computer to generate OTPs. 2. For successful two-factor authentication, the time on a user's device must be synchronized with an internet time server.
Does this mean that the Cloud PBX portal also supports two-factor authentication?
It does. Cloud PBX portal users can now log in with their regular web credentials and then verify those credentials by providing a one-time password. If two-factor authentication is not yet enabled, a portal user can add this security level to their login and password from the Cloud PBX portal too.
Okay, here are the benefits for service providers. Secure access to the Cloud PBX portal for customers, compliance with security policies and ability to pass security audits. So if you want your Cloud PBX portal to be secure, please reach out to us and we'll talk about how to make it. And if you have any difficulties with turning on two-factor authentication for your administrator access, we'll gladly help you. Thank you. Please reach out to us.
Thanks so much and see you in the next video.